What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and I'm going to talk to you today very quickly about something you need to do right now. If you're like me, we run our eBay businesses right out of our homes. And beginning today, your information is available to consumers. And the law that's put into place is in good faith. It's supposed to be important for you to know who you're buying from. But if you sell from your house, now your name and your personal address is available to everybody. You qualify for an exemption if your business is your personal address. Let me show you exactly what you need to do to get the exemption and take your personal address off of all of your business communications. So let's turn to the computer and get this done. It is called the Informed Consumers Act, and I won't read this to you, but you probably qualify for an exemption if you work from home. So I'm going to show you on eBay how to get it done exactly. Like most of my tutorials, I'm going to start in the Seller Hub, and we are going to go down to this section right here where it says shortcuts. Yours may not be in exactly the same position, but you're looking for the thing that says shortcuts. And from there, we are going to click on the part where it says Seller Center. And there will be a lot of information here. We are going to scroll all the way down to the part where it says Resources. And under Resources, the very first one is the Informed Consumers Act. Let's click on that. Again, it's going to go through all of this information, but right here, number one, it says if your address is your residential address, which for me it is, we're going to request an exemption. And right here, I'm going to blog mine out. There's my personal address. And I'm going to, again, click request an exemption. And I'm going to choose as my option, my address is a residential address. If you have a different place for returns, you could use that address. Mine is the same, depending upon how I ship, but for a lot of the things, it's the same. When you get the exemption, it will still have your name and your general location mine, it will say my name and Texas. Up here, it has my whole street address, which we're going to take out. Confirm. This says it's because I'm a high volume seller, it's trying to create a safe marketplace. I get all of that, but safe for me is not having my entire address on there. And that's it. That's all there is to this. I just wanted to put it out there in case you hadn't seen it, or more importantly, if you haven't done it, that's all you need to do. So get in there and update your account. Most of my videos are tutorials aimed at helping people who are just getting started. If that's something that you need or you think you would benefit from, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you real soon on the next one. Bye.